In this video, I will show you how you can add a link to your button on Squarespace. So for that you need to go to dashboard and then click on edit. So for example, I have a button here now, shop now. So I need to edit the link to the button. So for that I need to click on it and here you will see a pencil icon. After clicking on it, here you will see a link section. Here you can add the link you want. I'm just going to enter instagram.com for the video. And for more advanced setting, you need to click on setting. And here you will see some advanced settings. For example, if whenever a user clicks on this button, the button will lead to a new window. You can enable this option as well. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.